Have you ever wondered which foods could make you practically invincible against common illnesses? Today, we're revealing the secret weapons of nutrition, the 6 power-packed foods that can supercharge your immune system. First up, we have blueberries. These little berries are antioxidant powerhouses, fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. Blueberries are often referred to as a superfruit due to their high antioxidant content. These antioxidants, particularly a type called anthocyanins, are what give blueberries their deep blue color. They help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Additionally, blueberries are a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and dietary fiber. Regular consumption of blueberries can aid in heart health, skin health, and may also have memory-enhancing properties. Next is turmeric, a bright yellow-orange spice that has been used for thousands of years as a medicinal herb in traditional Indian medicine. The primary active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a strong antioxidant. Curcumin is also known to boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone that functions in the brain. This can aid in delaying or even reversing brain diseases and age-related decreases in brain function. Additionally, curcumin can lower the risk of heart disease, possesses anti-cancer properties, and has benefits against depression. Then we have spinach, a nutrient-rich leafy green that comes packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a potent source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and the immune system. Spinach is also high in vitamin K, crucial for bone health as it helps in calcium regulation and bone mineralization. Moreover, spinach contains iron, which is vital for creating hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to body tissues. The high amounts of dietary fiber in spinach can aid digestion, prevent constipation, and maintain low blood sugar levels. Additionally, the antioxidants found in spinach, such as quercetin, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Ever heard of almonds? These crunchy delights are loaded with vitamin E, crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Yogurt is another game changer. It's not just a tasty snack, but a source of probiotics, supporting your gut health and, in turn, your immunity. Yogurt is a versatile dairy product made by fermenting milk with a yogurt culture. It provides protein, calcium, vitamins, and probiotics, live bacteria beneficial for the gut. These probiotics, particularly strains like Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacteria, can aid in gut health by maintaining a balance of good bacteria. This balance is essential for digestion, absorption of nutrients, and even plays a role in immune function. Regular consumption of yogurt may also reduce the risk of osteoporosis due to its high calcium and vitamin D content. Additionally, yogurt can be beneficial for heart health. It's known to help regulate blood pressure and reduce bad LDL cholesterol. Yogurt can also assist in weight management, given its protein content, which can induce feelings of fullness. Last but not least, we introduce ginger. This spicy root does more than add zing to your dishes. It's known to combat inflammation and help in soothing sore throats. Ginger, a flowering plant whose rhizome or root is widely used as a spice and folk medicine, is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds. One of the most renowned medicinal properties of ginger is its ability to treat nausea, making it especially effective for morning sickness during pregnancy. Ginger also contains gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's known to relieve muscle pain and soreness, often attributed to its anti-inflammatory properties. Furthermore, ginger can drastically lower blood sugar levels and improve heart disease risk factors. It's also effective against indigestion and can speed up the emptying of the stomach. Additionally, ginger may reduce menstrual pain, lower cholesterol levels, and even have protective effects against cancer. But here's the real secret. It's not just about knowing these foods, but how you incorporate them into your daily meals for maximum benefits. If you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support Help the People Now channel. We're committed to bringing you the best health advice, and your support means the world to us. Got a favorite superfood or a recipe you swear by? Drop us a comment below. We love hearing from our community. Before you go, make sure to check out our next video. It's packed with more health tips that you won't want to miss. Stay healthy, stay informed.